Good afternoon. The idea for the most efficient way and best way to use elevators in Tecnológico de Monterrey, especially in the building of CIAP. As you know, there is more than one elevator in CIAP, so each elevator station has two elevators. This would give a total of four elevators, I believe, in the building, and I think there could be a couple of ways to improve the efficiency in the elevators. One, and my main idea would be to install two different buttons that control the elevators. Because when you press up on the button, it sends the signal to both, and then once one elevator gets all the way to the down, the other one thinks that necessity has been reached, which sometimes it has, but sometimes when it's packed hour, you would need both elevators to understand that there is more than one load ready to be loaded per se. So two different buttons, each button for each elevator. So that would be in the building. There would be four buttons to go up and four buttons to just to go up. Mainly the bottom floor is the one who gets clogged up and congested at peak hours. So that would have a separate two up and two up buttons. The next way would be to have a sign. Have a sign that says that we're all brothers and sisters, so people are not afraid to make room or see if they fit in. Because I've noticed that when you take the elevator, if there's a person that's shy, as soon as there's, I don't know, a little bit of the room left, they don't want to go because they think they might make someone uncomfortable. So that would be one of my other ideas. And be efficient. This one is a little bit harder to apply due to it's more of a perfect world idea would be to have an understanding of what the weight limit is for the elevator and pack as close to it as possible. If you have three heavy set guys that weigh, let's say, 100 kilos and the max is 800 kilos, then you would put three heavy guys in an elevator and as much as light girls or guys in the elevator with them to make the trip as heavy as possible, but still optimize the times the elevator is going up and down. That is my main idea. The cost is very little. It would just be the separation of the bottom button, so it could be as little as just converting a switch, just installing a new switch next to it, so there's very little cost. People, it would just take a little bit of effort from the campus to give this idea and help students resolve this problem on their own. And I think it would save a little bit of time, maybe a couple trips, and in the long run that would make a big difference and maybe cut down on the time that you wait for classes. So that's my idea. I hope you like it. Thank you.